Hang it? What's your problem off it? Yeah, but why?
Eh?
What do you want? I don't know what you're after. Why?
Eh?
Well, what is it? You don't like the new floor?
Really? Muffin Mom?
You think Matthew's an arsehole? You do? What, and me? What about Michael? You want your food? That's Michael. No, that's Matthew. You don't like the food. Cost me a fortune, you don't like it.